did we expect, my dearest friend? Tell me when we shall make it end. So let me take your hand like one of those men.